Alright, in your search bar, type WordPress download. Okay, so you click on first link, which is wordpress.org, to download the WordPress. Okay, so once you click on the first link, which is download WordPress from wordpress.org, it will take you to the wordpress.org website. Here you will have to download WordPress version 6.1.1, but in your case you will have version 6.2.2. okay, so just click on the download, so it will start downloading for you immediately. Alright, so once the download is done, okay, you can now open it from where it is being downloaded, which is in your downloads or wherever you download it. Then you extract it. So you extract the folder. So once you extract the folder, inside it you will have the WordPress folder, which is WordPress, like this. Okay, so if you open it, you see all the files inside that folder. So you can go back to the folder. Then the next thing after this folder is to go back to your Xampp. You launch it and you click on Start Apache. In the front of Apache you see Start, click on Start, and in front of MySQL too you see Start, click on the Start as well. So you have started your server like that. Okay, so the next thing after this, you can minimize this, then you copy or you cut this folder, this WordPress folder. You can cut it. All right, then once you cut it, you go to your local drive or your local disk, which is local C, and you open Xampp there. From Xampp you go to htdocs. Okay, so you go to htdocs. Once you open your htdocs, you now paste that WordPress folder inside this htdocs like this. All right, so if you open it again, you will see all the files in it. Then you can go back. Now after you have pasted it like that, you open your Xampp server again. Then in front of MySQL you will see admin. Then click on that admin so that we can create the database. So you want to open PHP admin. On your URL you will see localhost/PHP myadmin. Okay, so once it opens for you like this, you click on new. Then in the database name you type in WordPress, because that is the name of our folder. So you type in WordPress and you click on create. So you see a new database has been created as WordPress. Okay, so now you can now open a new tab and type localhost/WordPress, localhost/WordPress, and you hit enter on your keyboard. Now it will take you to this page and you select your language. In my own case it's English. Click on continue, then you click on let's go. All right, so here you put your database name, which is WordPress. That's our database name. Okay, so we go back to you put WordPress. Then for the, after typing WordPress, for the username you type in root. You leave the password empty. Then the database host should be localhost. Then you click on go. Then you click on run installation. So once you get to this place, you type in your site title. In my own case is Geeky Script. All right, in my own case is Geeky Script. Then my username is root. You can make your own username to be admin. You can make your own username to be anything. Then you type in your password root. Then you select confirm use of weak password and you put in an email. Then you click install WordPress. All right, so once it is done installing, all right, it will take you to the login page. So you click on login. Here you can see success, you can see your username and your chosen password. So you put your username, which my own case is root, and my password too is root. So you put in your username and your password, then you click on login. Then it will take you to this dashboard, this back end. All right, so once it takes you to this back end, this is where you can do every other thing that you want to do on your website. Thank you and see you in the next class. All right.